Welcome to Mindful Meditation with Kari Rose. Today we will be doing a self-relaxation exercise. Now, I am going to teach you a very special way to relax. You're going to learn it today, and you will be able to use it forever, whenever you are tired, or tense, or in a stressful situation, or whenever you simply want to relax and rest. You will do this exercise I am going to show you. You will always do it exactly as I am going to tell you how. You will do it exactly as I tell you to do this relaxation exercise. You will sit down with your feet flat on the floor, your hands on your thighs, but without letting the hands or thumbs touch. Or you can lie down with your hands at your sides. Whatever way you feel like doing it, but you will never do it while driving a car or in a dangerous position, never in a dangerous place. And your mind knows what these are and will never do them if it is dangerous. You will sit or lay down as I told you. You will then take a deep breath, a deep breath, letting it out slowly. And another deep breath, letting it out slowly. And as you do this, your body will start to relax. Then you will close your eyes and will count silently to yourself from 7 to 1, each number very slowly. At the count of 1, you will be completely relaxed in all ways, just as you now are, completely relaxed, just as now. Then you will wait 10 or 20 seconds, and then counting up from 1 to 5, you will open your eyes feeling absolutely wonderful and clear-headed. Absolutely wonderful in all ways. And you will remember while counting to count slowly. And you'll use this relaxation exercise at least once a day. And each and every time you use it, it will become better and better, and you will feel better and